Good morning, everyone. Myself Dharti Patel. I am presenting paper Effectiveness of high humidified heated flow nasal cannula. Nasal cannula in children with bronchiolitis. My institute is Shardaben General Hospital under NHL Municipal Medical College, Ahmedabad. Okay. Okay, sir. Aims and objective to study the effectiveness of heated humidified high flow nasal cannula in children with acute moderate to severe bronchiolitis, to determine the efficacy of HHFNC in acute moderate and severe bronchiolitis in children by improving bronchiolitis score. Method and material: type of study hospital based cross sectional study, duration 6 months, July 2023 to December 2023. Method: 1 month to 2 years aged patient admitted for acute moderate and severe bronchiolitis and putting on HHFNC by observing bronchiolitis score. This is a bronchiolitis score. Inclusion criteria: all children between 1 month to 2 years of age admitted with acute respiratory distress as acute moderate and severe bronchiolitis and put on HHFNC. Exclusion criteria is patient less than 1 month and greater than 2 years of age, patient with pneumonia, and patient who didn't given consent. Result: out of 60 patients, 58 patients respiration is improved after 24 hours putting on HHFNC by analysis bronchiolitis score. Under bronchiolitis score, respiratory rate, general appearance, and auscultations are measured. Two patients deteriorating and did not improve vitals and SpO2 after 24 hours on HHFNC, so they were required invasive ventilator care. Respiratory rate in patients were significant reduced after starting HHFNC at 24 hours. On admission, respiratory rate 70.6 mean, and after 24 hours, respiratory rate mean is 41.8. SpO2 in patients was significantly increased after starting HHFNC at 24 hours. On admission 93.5 and after 24 hours 98.8. Bronchiolitis score in patients was significantly improved after starting HHFNC at 24 hours. On admission 8.1 and after 24 hours decrease and 1.8. Conclusion: an early intervention reduces the need of invasive ventilation in children with moderate and severe bronchiolitis by applying HHFNC, ameliorating respiratory distress in infants and children with acute bronchiolitis. HHFNC is safe and well tolerated by all infants and children. Thank you.